Hello and welcome to Construction Master. Today, we're going to talk about what is construction. The Construction Master channel provides a range of videos to construction students and professionals. This topic published in parts 01, 02, 03, 04 and full version, and this is part 01. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon on YouTube, Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter. What is construction? In its most widely used context, construction covers the processes involved in delivering building, infrastructure and industrial facilities, and associated activities through to the end of their life. It typically starts with planning, financing, and design and continues until the asset is built and ready for use. Construction also covers repairs and maintenance work, any works to expand, extend and improve the asset, and its eventual demolition, dismantling or decommissioning. As an industry, construction accounts for more than 10% of global GDP, 6 to 9% in developed countries, and employs around 7% of the global workforce, over 273 meters people. The output of the global construction industry was worth an estimated $10.8 trillion in 2017. Broadly, there are three sectors of construction: buildings, infrastructure and industrial. Building construction is usually further divided into residential and non-residential. Infrastructure, also called heavy civil or heavy engineering, includes large public works, dams, bridges, highways, railways, water or wastewater and utility distribution. Industrial construction includes offshore construction, mainly of energy installations, mining and quarrying, refineries, chemical processing, power generation, mills and manufacturing plants. More details will be discussed in the following videos. Residential construction may be undertaken by individual landowners, self-build, by specialist house builders, by property developers, by general contractors, or by providers of public or social housing, e.g., local authorities, housing associations. Where local zoning or planning policies allow, mixed-use developments may comprise both residential and non-residential construction, e.g., retail, leisure, offices, public buildings, etc. Residential construction practices, technologies, and resources must conform to local building authority regulations and codes of practice. Materials readily available in the area generally dictate the construction materials used, e.g., brick versus stone versus timber. Costs of construction on a per square meter or per square foot basis for houses can vary dramatically based on site conditions, access routes, local regulations, economies of scale. Custom-designed homes are often more expensive to build, and the availability of skilled tradespeople. Non-residential construction. Depending upon the type of building, non-residential building construction can be procured by a wide range of private and public organizations, including local authorities, educational and religious bodies, transport undertakings, retailers, hoteliers, property developers, financial institutions and other private companies. Most construction in these sectors is undertaken by general contractors. More details will be discussed in the following videos. Infrastructure construction. Civil engineering covers the design, construction, and maintenance of the physical and naturally built environment, including public works such as roads, bridges, canals, dams, tunnels, airports, water and sewerage systems, pipelines, and railways. Some general contractors have expertise in civil engineering. Civil engineering contractors are firms dedicated to working in this sector and may specialize in particular types of infrastructure. More details will be discussed in the following videos. Industrial construction includes offshore construction, mainly of energy installations, oil and gas platforms, wind power, mining and quarrying, refineries, breweries, distilleries, and other processing plants, power stations, steel mills, warehouses, and factories. More details will be discussed in the following videos. Thank you for watching. Please continue watching part 02. The Construction Master channel provides a range of videos to construction students and professionals. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon on YouTube, Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter. See you in the next videos. Stay safe. Bye bye.